Welcome to Chapter 6 of the Cypress Academy Wicked Wi-Fi 101 class. In the previous videos, I've talked about how you build projects, how you use the Wicked peripherals, how the RTOS works, what's in the library, and finally, in Chapter 5, how to get connected to the network. All that is really cool, but your IoT device isn't worth much unless it can send and receive some data. You could make an entire semester course on networking. Well, actually, most engineering schools do. In fact, here is Richard Stevens' standard text on networking. Quite the tome, eh? But don't despair. I'm going to teach you enough in the next set of videos to actually get things going. This is possible because Wicked puts all of the complexity together in an easy-to-use set of APIs. As I thought about how to explain this material, I struggled making a nice linear flow because all of the topics in this chapter have circular dependencies. So be patient. You might find yourself rewatching a video or skipping forwards or backwards or looking at the textbook. The videos in this chapter are, the first one is about TCP/IP sockets, generally just referred to as sockets, where I will explain the fundamental mechanism of the internet to exchange data. In addition, I will explain a basic protocol that I created to teach sockets called the Wicked Wi-Fi Example Protocol, or WWEP. Then, in video 2, I will explain how to implement my real-world protocol using the Wicked Socket API. Next, I will deal with the problem that everything I have shown you so far has been unencrypted. So in video 3, I will introduce you to the basics of encryption in a gentle Alan Hawse kind of way. Specifically, I will teach you public and private key encryption. Then I will show you the man-in-the-middle attack, which is an insidious method to attack your privacy and the scheme we all use to prevent that attack. Video 5 is about X509 certificates. These are the data files that drive the tools used to prevent man-in-the-middle attacks. And finally, in video 6, I will show you a complete Wicked Secure Socket example project. You can post your comments and questions in our Wi-Fi developer community. Or as always, you're welcome to email me at alan_hawse@cypress.com or tweet me at AskIoTExpert. Let's get going. It's time to exchange data.